Hi dear viewers, Ramzan is on our heads and everyone wants energy-giving snacks for Sehri that will help us go through the fast relatively easily. This recipe will present to you a traditional drink that fills those requirements in the shape of dates milkshake. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. For our milkshake, first let's gather all the ingredients. Milk is a rich source of energy in the form of saturated fat, proteins and carbohydrates. Milk is also rich with calcium, copper and iron required for a balanced diet. Dates are rich with natural sugar and it provides a quick burst of energy one needs in Ramzan. Almonds are regarded as the greatest pick-me-up snack. These nutrient-rich nuts are packed with proteins, vitamin E and magnesium.